What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Luffy. Okay, so today we are going to draw Luffy from One Piece. Before you all start, make sure to draw a perfect square. Each side is 4 centimeters, and without further ado, we are about to start by drawing Luffy's face. We'll use 4 lines for that. Next we are going to use this guideline to mark the eyes, and then we'll draw 2 circles to help us draw the eyes. As you can see, I'm using 2 lines for each eye. Next we are going to draw the eyebrows. Following up with the nose by drawing 2 curves. And then we are going to draw the mouth by drawing 2 curves as well. And we'll do some adjustments to the jaw. Awesome, next we'll draw his famous scar beneath the eye. Then we'll draw 2 circles to create the pupils. And then we're going to draw this guideline to mark his hairline. Next we'll draw the neck by using 2 curves as well, lots of curves. And then to draw the ear we'll use 3 lines and add all the details inside. Awesome, next we'll draw his right ear. And then we are going to draw his famous straw hat. We'll start with a rough shape and then refine it. Next we are going to draw Luffy's hair. We'll do that by using 2 to 3 lines. Next we are going to add some texture to the hat, making it look like it's actually made of straw. We'll add some creases to his red band. And then we are going to draw the torso. So first we are going to start by drawing the color of his vest and his shoulder. We'll do the same for the right side. Next we're going to add the sleeves. We'll draw the chest at the center and his collarbones. I'm gonna do some refinement and we'll add his neck muscle. Next we'll draw the button of his vest just by drawing a circle. And then we are going to draw his famous scar on the chest. Awesome, and I think I'm gonna make the hat a bit bigger. And we are done with the sketching process, so now we are going to proceed with the inking process. For that you can use a black pen or a black color pencil, just like I'm doing right now. For this process, all you have to do is hold the pencil closer to the tip and just go all over the lines by either pushing lines or by pulling lines. But please make sure to rotate the page to go with your natural hand movement, that way it's much easier to ink. Awesome, once we are done, we are going to take the mechanical pencil and mark all the shaded areas for this drawing. And I want the light source to come from the right side, which means that the left side will appear darker. If you guys don't know by now, this process is called cell shading. It's what they do in 2D animation, digital and traditional as well. Awesome, so next we're going to shade the darkest areas. We'll do that by holding the pencil closer to the tip, that way we can apply more pressure and therefore get more lead and get a darker tone by that. Next we're going to hold the pencil at the center. We'll do that to create the mid-tone. It's gonna be a slightly brighter tone of gray, and of course make sure to shade with the direction of the shape, that way it wouldn't look flat. Awesome, and next we are going to create the brightest tone. That's gonna be a brighter tone of gray, and we'll achieve that by holding the pencil closer to the eraser. That way we can apply less pressure and therefore get a brighter tone of gray. Awesome, so we're going to do the same process for the shirt. For the scar, we'll want to achieve a darker tone again, and we'll use the black color pencil to add some details to the scar. Next we're going to color the eyes, and as you can see I'm leaving a small blank area, that way we'll get a nice highlight. And then we're going to do the same process for the head. Awesome, all we have to do now is color Luffy's hair with the black color pencil, again coloring in the direction of the shape. And even though I'm not rotating the page, I would highly recommend for you to do so, that way it's much easier to color. Next, you don't have to do this part, but if you want to get a smoother transition between the tones, you can use your finger and just blend all the colors. And I'm gonna erase the button a bit to make it look more bright. And we are done! Everybody, this is how you draw Luffy from One Piece. Please tell me how you did in the comment section. Let me know which One Piece character would you like me to draw next. And of course, make sure to like this video and subscribe if you're new. I upload new videos every week, 4 new tutorials every week. That's it for today. Keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video very soon. Peace!